I know, I'm getting so late on this video. April 1st, I already recorded, but I think I lost the footage. Anyway, I'll do a better video about this stupid hack for the Klarus flashlights to get constant strobe mode. Non-constant strobe is a curse for most light painters. It's just, it's annoying because you get long stripes and then short ones. It creates things like this one here. Okay, you might like it, but the thing is that you can't control when it starts, when it ends. So most of us, we prefer constant strobe mode on flashlights, but it's starting to get hard to find. So many brands are switching to non-constant. And okay, so all Klarus's flashlights have non-constant strobe, but the ones that have the button and the pedal can get constant strobe if you hold the pedal. This is not my hack. If you release, then it starts to switch from fast to slow. That's the annoying part. And okay, the hack, drum roll, I'm using a 2mm washer that I simply insert under the pedal right here. And there we go, constant strobe mode. So by doing this, I'm losing the instant constant strobe, but I get constant strobe and I don't have to hold anything. Sorry if you were expecting more than this, but it's kind of working for me. I tried it once on Mosquito Island, but it was just too much for me to insert that with all the mosquitoes around me. But in more decent conditions, it's just perfect because this flashlight, the Klarus XT2CR, is the brightest flashlight you can put inside one of my tubes. So now you get constant strobe mode. It's very important to have exactly 2mm. I tried many, and well, that's the one here. And the one that I found has a hole, so I attached it to the loop, and then it's always hanging around for me to use it. Boom. So cool. Okay, what's next? April 1st, black tube. What is that thing? Is this serious? Maybe not. We'll see later. And coming up in the next days, the video about the sliders, the video about the outline flashlight. We're finishing the setup of our 132 cameras rig this week. And I'm going to sit for the first time in this video. Android bullet time. Yep, the first clean bullet time shots using Android are going to come up somewhere this week or very soon. That's it. Thanks.